So now we're going to look at topic 5, which is transitions. So there's only really one question that the SAT is going to ask about a transition, and that question is, which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? So it's pretty simple. Basically, which of these words right here is the best word to put in a blank? So it's going to ask you a question, we'll have a blank, and you'll need to figure out which one. So how can you do that? So first thing you want to do is skim what we call a sentence sandwich, and that means you have the sentence that you're focusing on with a blank, you have the sentence before, and you have the sentence after. Okay? Then you're going to determine what the function of that transition is. What is it trying to do? Is it trying to show cause and effect? Is it trying to show like a list? Is it trying to show similarities, examples, emphases, contradictions, or opposites, right? You have to figure out which one of these it is trying to figure out. And you do not need to memorize all of these. Just try to remember one or two and then see if you can find synonyms for those in your answer choices when you actually get a question. Okay, now that you know which of these is the correct thing, you're going to substitute a word that you know makes sense. So let's say that you're thinking of a contradiction and you know the word but, or you know the word however. And you're not really thinking about these words like nevertheless, nonetheless, that people don't really use as often. You're going to just put this in the blank as but. So just like pretend that the word is but, and then go look at the answer choices and find the word that's most similar to but. And that's your 5-step plan for figuring out what's the most logical transition. That is question type number 5.